Hello, this Python program is used to crawl over various CDM websites and return the 25 most common words. So here we are extending the HTML parser class from the CDM parser class. This is a super class which has all the features. Along with that, we are overriding the init method in order to initialize the parser. The handle start tag is overridden in order to encounter the HTML text within the HTML tags, and the def handle data is overridden in order to remove the HTML tags, non-alphabetic characters, and the normalization byte space. So we crawl the websites only restricted to those cdm.dpol websites, and we also uh, crawl the websites until the max limit is reached. So let's execute to see how it works. So here we are providing 10 maximum links. So it crawls through 10 CDM links and then gives the 25 most common words along with the word frequencies of those particular words. So this is the function wherein we have mentioned all this. We have initialized the empty data set, which this actually checks for each and every link until the max limit is reached. The maximum links which we have mentioned is 10 in the output. Until that is reached, this keeps on checking for all the links. It passes the data, it passes the URLs and extracts the data, which is then split into words in order to update the counter. So the access is restricted in such a way that here we have defined mentioned if condition. It says if link starts with CDM to default. So only if that is if the URL is starting with CDM to default, only then it is added to the queue, which is then ready for passing. So if that data has a text or HTML content, it will be the text will be extracted and then split into words in order to check, count the frequency of the words. So word counter is initialized as a counter object, which is a default, which is an object method. So we are using the update method of the counter object in order to update the word frequencies. And here, so this is the method word counter dot most common. The most common method is the counter object method, which is used to give the most common words. It takes an argument of a number and it gives the specified n number of most common words. So here it gives 25 most common words of after crawling through all the provided website max links. Like we have provided 10 max links, it checks through all the 10 max links of the default website and returns 25 most commonly used words across those websites.